The public fundraising has begun over the weekend for the revitalization of Rotary Park in downtown Brockville. Monday saw over 100 people take in the spaghetti dinner with the Brockville Braves at the Mill Restaurant on Water Street, as well as some participated in the pre-dinner skate with the Braves at the temporary location of the new synthetic ice pad behind Leon's. Monday's fundraising event raised $1,350 for the Rotary Park project. Organizers were hoping for a bigger turnout, but were still happy with what was raised. In addition, money was raised during the committee's Valentine's non-event, and close to $1,500 was raised at Friday night's Cops and Bankers Much Music video dance held at TIS. The committee is asking for the community's help in closing the gap of the $350,000 price tag with fundraisers like the Skate and Spaghetti Dinner. In 2010, a number of citizens and organizations came together to improve year-round recreational facilities for local families. From this, the Rotary Park Revitalization Committee was formed with the mandate to revitalize Rotary Park in downtown Brockville. Some of the new features will include a splash pad, change rooms, public washrooms, walking path, play structures, basketball courts, and a synthetic ice surface. For more information on the Rotary Park Revitalization, log on to their website at brockvillerotarypark.com. In Brockville, Dale Elliott, BNTV News.